Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Quant here, and as we can see, looking as though right now we are coming back down to retest that breakout again. As you can see here, pretty clear on the charts once I've got all my analysis on the chart. This has been mostly untouched for essentially a year or so now. Obviously I've drawn in a few new trend lines here, but you can see here basically the Fibonacci levels ever since we got down to this level here have all been respected pretty damn well, to be honest. You can see rejection here, resistance, support, breakout, support. You know, we started to get stuck under the 618 here once we came back inside it again. And then obviously once we lost that trend line for Quant of that nice bullish move that it was making during the bear market for most things, FTX collapsed. We came down back down to $100, which happens to sit on perfectly on that 038, as I spoke about for a long time, to be honest. You can see here resistance, support, and then obviously we came up here with the bullish move that we have seen since the start of the year. We've got the breakout and the back test of that 050 level, and then obviously we came back up to this level here again for another rejection of this previous key level of resistance and support. You can see it was a previous level of support flipped into resistance, back into support here, but we lost that support again because of the FTX collapse. And now here again, basically we got the overextension, but really retested it as resistance, support, resistance, and now we're back down at support again on the 050 of that breakout. Now my long position here has been filled. You can see here I did have this marked out on the charts for a few weeks now. I said if we come back down to this level here at the 050, I will be taking a long position because I do think we'll probably see a bounce here for continuation. It's sitting on the trend line and it's sitting on the Fibonacci level there, as well as if you take a good look at the RSI here, you can see quite clearly that we did have some bearish divergences here that have played out. We've come back down and we've double back tested this area of support and found it to be a fairly decent area of support here. So I've got a long position here right now. I'm looking to target up towards that 618 level, to be honest, over the next few weeks, something like this, because I do think the markets are looking pretty confident and bullish at the minute right now. This is I'd say it's a fairly reasonable position. It's not a massive position because there's still a fair amount of uncertainty right now in the markets in terms of the bullish structure we're seeing. But I will be trading these Fibonacci levels now because they do hold a lot of credence on most of the crypto charts, including Quant as well. You can see how well that they have been respected in the past here. You could have shorted this, long this, shorted this, long this, and you would have made money on the downside and the upside here. And now that we have the breakout, the back test, and the back test again here, you can see yesterday a very big rejection of that low. I do think realistically we'll probably see a bit of a bounce in this area, in my opinion, at least up to this level here where I'd probably take some partial profits. But really right now we're just waiting to see what happens with the wider market for Quant. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. It'd really help me out. You get access to the private Discord where you can hang out with me and other investors as well. We're starting to grow the community back up after a prolonged bear market period where a lot of people have lost hope and left. So I'd really appreciate if you could do that if you want to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.